So what's going on, everybody? Welcome back here to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to give you guys 5 altcoins that are all in the top 100 that I think still have a lot of upside potential that still could be worth buying before they go up and before we really see an altcoin season. Of course, we're waiting on Ethereum to make its move before alts really can take off. And a lot of people are saying the end of 2025, maybe even early 2026. Nobody has a crystal ball, but if I'm looking to find value of assets that are in the top 100 that are pretty solidified, that I don't think are going anywhere, that are severely undervalued, I'm looking to make some plays, right? And so these aren't the only cryptos, by the way, that are like probably at these levels that are still worth looking at. But I wanted to at least kind of highlight 5 of them for you guys in the video. And so if you like this style of content, you like this kind of video, let me know in the comments. I'll make some more of these. Maybe I can give you some undervalued picks, in my opinion, in every sector, things like that. So definitely encourage you guys to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. This will show me that this style of video is hitting home and you like it. Also, weigh in. Give me your thoughts and ideas and where you see some assets that are undervalued in the top 100. Love to hear from you guys in the comments below. But let's get into it. Let's not waste any more time. Let's jump right in and give you guys some picks in terms of where I think we could see some value here once we come back with altcoin season. So real quick before we get into it, clearly it is a Bitcoin-driven market right now. Bitcoin dominance is at 65%, guys. Insane. Bitcoin ETF inflows continue to rise. But we're trying to get out ahead of some of these, right? We recently just saw Say make a big pop. Aerodrome had a big pop. There's still opportunity in the markets. And by the way, if you want to get out ahead of some of these big moves in the altcoin sector, obviously you can come and check out XT Algo. That's my trading software. So if you go to xtalgo.com, there's a link down below to this as well. It's $1 a day, 30-day money-back guarantee. Highly encourage you guys to try it if you're a serious investor. This is the cheapest trading indicator you're going to find on the market, and it works for crypto and stocks. I show you how to use it, how to set up your own alerts, everything. And I've got a bunch of places where you can actually trade crypto. BTCC, Bitify, great place to trade your XRP. And then crypto.com, household name. You could trade one asset, any asset you want, for free for a full year when you sign up, link down below. But let's get into it because there's a lot of things that are undervalued here, but you got to kind of plant your stake, right? Plant your flag in the ground. I'm going to start with Chainlink, guys. Chainlink is an infrastructure play. It is one of the best infrastructure plays in all the market. It is sitting here at $13. It is down 75%. They just had a massive partnership announcement with MasterCard. They are the link that is keeping everything together through their Oracle technology. Chainlink is a top 15 crypto. It has withstood the test of time, and I think it is severely undervalued at these price levels. Is Chainlink going to give you a 100x? No. But is it undervalued at these levels? I think so. Okay, so I'm going to start there with Chainlink, and we're going to go down the line here. Next up is Avalanche. So Avalanche is another one that burst on the scene with Solana last cycle. You guys could see where the chart's at. Avalanche sitting here 88% down from all-time highs. A lot of things being built on AVAX, from gaming to real-world asset tokenization. It is, again, just outside the top 15. Hasn't been getting a lot of attention right now, but I do think this will pick back up. And it's so undervalued right now from a price standpoint that we could see, I think, some really nice gains, 5 to 7x, I think, with upside from there. Again, that's not financial advice, just giving you guys my thoughts on this. So we've got Chainlink and Avalanche so far. If we keep moving down the line here, I'm going to go with Uniswap. Now, Uniswap is a top 30 crypto. It's a great way to get exposure to Ethereum without getting direct exposure to Ethereum. And look at this. Uniswap is 85% down from its all-time high. They had a massive presence at the conference that I was just at in New York City that is permissionless, talking about their V4 upgrades. A lot of excitement around Uniswap and what they're building. Their all-time high was set 4 years ago, right around $45. It's currently sitting at $7 flat. And I think this is criminally undervalued, to be honest. And again, it's to me a great way to get exposure to Ethereum without directly getting exposure to Ethereum. So the next one up, and I could mention a lot of them here. I could mention Pepe, I could mention BitTens or Tau, but I'm trying to give you guys some different plays in different sectors. Number 4 I'm going to go with is Ondo Finance. So I think this whole tokenization of real world assets is going to be a massive, massive push. I think this is where a lot of the institutional money is going to pour into the next time it filters through altcoins and starts, basically not only just going into Bitcoin. And when that happens, people are going to look at Ondo, which, they're partnered with Ripple, XRP. They are, working alongside BlackRock and JP Morgan Chase to tokenize US treasuries and equities right now. To me, sitting at a $2.35 billion market cap with the opportunity to unlock trillions of dollars in the tokenization space. Anytime Ondo Finance, for me now, this is just my opinion, anytime Ondo Finance is down below $1, I really, really like it. So Ondo down there is a really long-term play for me, and it's one of my favorites. So next up, I'm going to give you an AI play, and that is Render. So Render, another company that was had a huge presence out at Permissionless, had a chance to talk with some of their main developers, and they've got some big things in the works. And Render right now, 77% down from all-time highs. Their all-time high was just set a year ago at 1360 back in March of 2024. So they had a massive run up in 2024, phenomenal run even in 2021. They're way back down again, but I do think we're going to get a big AI push. And they're also one of the top plays in the gaming sector, top 50 crypto, sitting here over a $1.5 billion market cap. And so these are all top 50 plays. I gave you 5 of them that I think are undervalued. So again, to round out the list, we'll go from bottom to top. Render, Ondo, Uniswap, Avalanche, and Chainlink. Those are my 5 that I wanted to highlight and spotlight right now in this video. And again, if you guys like this style, let me know. I could do more of these. Be happy to kind of give you guys more thoughts and break things down even further. Just let me know in the comments, and let me know with a like button hit and a subscription if you're not yet subscribed. Make sure you are. We're here every single day for you guys grinding. Appreciate you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.